intense and inebriating. It conquers you as it evokes atmospheres and flavors of faraway countries. The aroma of coffee calls to mind nature and triggers emotions, generating memories of pleasant moments. Only those who love coffee like us are able to design and manufacture great espresso coffee machines. For many years now, BFC has been successfully manufacturing a wide range of espresso coffee machines, appreciated all over the world. The secret behind our success is the passion we put into what we do every day. This passion drives us to achieve perfection as we design and manufacture our machines, using the best materials and components available on the market. This is the only way to make safe, reliable, high-performance and long-life espresso coffee machines. Starting from a design that's carefully devised and tested by our engineers, BFC assembles the various components. From the boiler, which is the heart and soul of our espresso coffee machines, through to the electric, water, and electronic systems. The frame and the housing are also the result of our creative talent and proven skills. The boiler is made with 1.5 mm thick copper sheets that we cut, bend, and weld. With certified 44% silver alloys. To achieve further durability and thermal stability. A fully automated system cuts the steel sheets. They're then TIG welded and meticulously hand polished by our skilled workers. This is how the individual parts of our espresso coffee machines take shape. We devise, design, manufacture. During the assembly phase, we install the water system, the wiring and the motors. All machines are individually tested to ensure trouble-free operation and excellent quality. Painstaking care is taken over the finishing and polishing phases, which further enhance the superior quality of a product that is fully made in Italy. Our company has a staff of 44 people, all with many years of experience in this market segment. It's thanks to this outstanding team that we're able to manufacture thousands of machines every year. BFC is a company that is quick in coordinating orders, precise with delivery times, special as it delivers technical and technological training to operators in this market segment, creative as it offers a comprehensive product range, scrupulous as it designs and manufactures coffee machines that will make great coffee. For our customers, making an excellent espresso or a superior cappuccino is a form of art. This warm, fragrant and delicious tradition, for us, is a true science. We only want the best for our customers.